Hi guys, my name is Helen and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute little no-sew bunny. And materials you'll need: firstly, cotton yarn with a fine or lightweight. I used Gazelle Giza in color 2491. A hook, I used 2.5 millimeters. A keychain ring, a marker, safety eyes, I used 6 millimeters. A yarn needle, and it is only used for fastening of the thread. Scissors and polyester stuffing. So we'll start with the ears. We'll fasten off the thread for the first ear, but won't cut the thread for the second one. For round 1, make chain 2 for single crochet into the first chain. Actually, you can make a magic ring, but I personally prefer to make a chain of 2 if it is less than 5 stitches. For round 2, make single crochet and increase 2 times, and there will be 6 stitches in the end. And don't forget to use your marker if you have any for marking the beginning of the round. It is really helpful sometimes. And just a little note, I used cross stitch single crochet and invisible decrease while crocheting. I will leave the link to the video on how to do these stitches. For the next round, make increase, then 2 single crochet 2 times with 8 stitches in the end. Round 4, 2 single crochet, increase, single crochet 2 times, 10 stitches in total. Round 5, the simplest one, just 10 single crochet. And we start to decrease from round 6. Make decrease and 3 single crochet 2 times. For round 7, make single crochet, decrease, single crochet 2 times with 6 stitches in the end. And the last round, make decrease single crochet 2 times with 4 stitches in the end. Make slip stitch and fasten off for the first ear. I'll show you how to fasten off in a few seconds. So we have 4 stitches in the end and we fasten off with a yarn needle. As you see, the needle goes inside out. Do it 4 times for every stitch in the round. The first ear is completely finished, and for the second ear we do just the same, but we will not cut the yarn. We will continue crocheting with it. So join 2 ears together by crocheting single crochet around each. To do this, using the thread from the second ear, make 1 single crochet into the first ear. This will be the first single crochet in the round. And just continue crocheting around the first ear and then around the second ear until you reach the first single crochet in the round. You will have a total of 8 single crochet. So for now we have 4 single crochet for the first ear and 4 single crochet for the second one. For round 2 of the head, make single crochet and increase 4 times, 12 stitches in the end. Next round, make increase single crochet 6 times, 18 stitches in the end. Round 4, 2 single crochet, increase 6 times, 24 stitches in the end. Next 2 rounds, just 24 single crochet. Round 7, decrease and 2 single crochet 6 times with 18 stitches in the end. And for the next round, make single crochet and decrease 6 times with 12 stitches in total. For now, you can insert safety eyes and stuff a little bit. I inserted my safety eyes between 3rd and 4th round from the end. And do not stuff the ears, it is not necessary. And for the last round, just make decrease 6 times. And it is almost ready. Just fasten off and tie it a circle. The needle goes into the front loop from outside to inside. Tighten lightly after each stitch. We do 6 stitches in total. Tighten the thread and hide it inside. And we're almost done. Attach the keychain ring just using the weaver's knot. And again, just hide all the threads inside. The bunny is ready! Thanks for watching. I would like to share my amigurumi tutorials, crocheting tips and tricks with you, so subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything interesting. And of course, you can also visit my Etsy shop for some cute amigurumi patterns. See you later!